Whoa!
Whoa! Check it out!
Check it out!
We're the Crunch... No, we're not the Crunch Bros. We're the Cooking Bros today!
Yeah!
So what are we doing?
We're making
tteokbokki!
We're making tteokbokki!
So thank you. We just wanted to say thank you to Bobo Fish Balls.
Yeah!
Thank you, Bobo Fish Balls. These guys right here. Thank you for sponsoring our video.
Bobo Fish
That's Bobo Fish Balls. They've sent us all of these fish balls. These are premium quality fish balls. There's no preservatives in these. Do you know what that means? That means they don't put in like chemicals to make it last longer. It's all good stuff. Can't see because they see your face. There's crab flavored ones. Fried fish ball. This one's a fish cake. And then this is their original. Let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
We're gonna start with the non-spicy one, the one that Jordan eats. So we already have 4 cups of water going, okay? So this is starting, oh yeah, that's hot. So 4 cups of water, we're gonna start with that. So we're gonna make the base of the soup. What do you think we put in next?
Sugar.
You're right, we're gonna do the sugar. So we have soy sauce, half a cup of soy sauce, and half a cup of sugar. But we kind of are going to go off of taste, and I'll let you know exactly how much, but I think that should be enough. Usually I don't measure it when I make it, so we'll find out if that's right or not. That's the crab one. That's kind of cool looking, huh? It's white and pink. Look at this one. This one's so long. So these come in a ton of different flavors, as you guys can see. We have a few of what they offer. The crab ones are so cool. Look at. I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at. They're like the size of my eyeball.
Mine too?
Yeah, yours too. You can cook them in a bunch of different ways. We already made a couple of them. I mean, you can barbecue them. You can put them in soups. I know that there's like fish ball soup that you can do. Today, we're actually going to throw it into our tteokbokki. Because we usually put fish cakes anyways, so why not put fish balls? So then we're going to be putting in our soy sauce, our sugar, there's vegetables, and there's the tteok. You guys,
And there's the fish balls and the fish cake.
Yep, the fish balls and fish cake, and then our veggies. We have Enoki mushrooms, we have king oyster mushrooms, there's some zucchini, there's some onion. Let's start with, I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of shoyu, or soy sauce.
And then I'm going to do with the sugar.
Okay.
I'm going to do the sugar.
Okay, we're going to do half of this, which is a 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to see how that tastes first. So that's about half. And then now we can stir it in. We want to make sure that sugar and that soy sauce really dissolves well into there. And the biggest important thing, Jordan, when you're going and you're cooking, you always want to taste as you go. Okay, so this is light soy sauce. Just to let you guys know, it's the light version. It's not the full kikkoman or the full soy sauce, so it's a light soy sauce. So that's why it looks like it's going to be a lot. The full half cup.
That's a lot.
It is. It looks like a lot, huh? But it's light soy sauce. But look at how nice and dark that's going to get. A little bit more sugar, so we're going to go half and half.
That's a lot of sugar. That's a lot of soy sauce.
It's light. They're light. I think it might need more. A little bit more sugar. Let me go get some. So let's add a little bit more. So far...
You're just drinking water.
Oh, sorry. So you always want to start with tteokbokki. Always add the onions first, because it'll take the longest to cook for sure. You want them to go a little sweet and translucent. So go and give that a mix for me. Okay? And then remember, this is going to go fast. Once we add that rice cake or the tteok, once we add this tteok in there, it's going to start getting pretty thick pretty fast. Oh my goodness. Can you add all of the vegetables? Start throwing them in. Well, don't throw them in. Place them in, please. So what was that? What did you...
That was Enoki mushroom.
That was Enoki mushrooms? What's that?
Zucchini.
Zucchinis, nice.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. Nice. Here's your spoon. Go ahead and mix that up for me.
Enokis need to spread out, right?
You can make them spread out, you're right. Next, we're going to add our fish balls. Okay? So let's throw in our fish balls. Look at these guys. They look like bananas. And then there's the crab ones. The crab ones have a little pink in them. And then these, do you know what these are? These are shrimp. Nice. They have so many different varieties.
Yes!
Yes,
We
we
did
did it! Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to add the rice cakes. But we want to make sure this comes to a boil.
You're silly.
You're silly.
Why did it say boil?
You said boil.
You said boil.
I did? Let's check that footage. To a boil. So we're going to let that come to a boil.
You said that.
Oh, sorry. Here you go.
Why did it say a boil?
Because we need to come to a boil. How do you say it then? I didn't hear you. What? A what? Boil. What's that? A what? I can't hear you. It's too loud.
Boil.
Oh, you said it. They've come to a boil. So what should we do next?
Tteokbokki.
Let's throw the tteok in there. So we're going to throw the tteok in there. Go ahead. Let's put them in. Look at, there's different sizes. There's long ones like this. And then there's short little baby ones. Let's put them in.
They're
So you
short.
wanna spread them out. And I like to use the frozen kind.
These are not frozen.
These are frozen. That's why they're cold.
They're not cool for me.
Oh, they're not? I like them using the frozen ones
Why?
because by the time they defrost, it can cook a little bit longer, and then I feel like they release their starches a little bit better, and it makes it a little bit more. It makes it all a little bit more thick.
This case sauce.
As it is.
It goes through my spoon.
And the soup is getting thicker and thicker. Okay, and it's all ready. Nice.
Now we're gonna make the spicy version.
Now we're gonna make the spicy version. We'll be right back. Now we're gonna make the spicy version.
For sugar,
First sugar, you're right. So this is a smaller batch. This is the spicy version. So we're only gonna do 3 cups of water. The last one was 4. This is 3 cups, and then we're gonna do a little bit less sugar in this one. This is half a cup of sugar. That'll be our base. Nice. So this one, we're not going to put soy sauce in. We're going to put in
gochujang.
gochujang. So this is actually a mild gochujang. Okay, so it's a mild in heat, but it's got still that nice red flavor. So I eyeball this and I kind of taste as I go to see how much I want in there. But that's probably about 2 tablespoons. We'll start with that. We'll see how that goes. Because it's a pretty big spoon. So I'd say it's about 2 tablespoons.
Red.
That's really red, huh?
You're gonna sweat.
You think so?
You're gonna sweat too much.
You think so?
You're not sweating.
I just took a sip. Oh, that's perfect. It's got a good amount of heat. It's still sweet. I think it's good. I think it's ready. Here we go. Go ahead and be careful. Put your onions in there. Go ahead and put those onions in there. Nice. And then, actually, we could probably put all of our veggies in there. Should we put all of them in? Okay, let's put all of them in. It's the same ingredients. We have onions.
But it's not the
zucchini.
same sauce.
Right. You're right. So we put the shrimps in, the longer fried ones in, and then we put the crab ones in. And these are the regulars. The white ones are regular. And then that should be good. Ooh, how does it smell?
Spicy.
It smells spicy. So we're gonna start adding our tteok in. So let's start putting some of this tteok in.
Okay.
Be careful, I don't want it to splash everywhere. That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay.
Bobo Fish Balls.
Bobo Fish Balls, thank you!
Thank you.
Whoa, we might have put way too much in here.
What?
Look at how much stuff is in here. They're gonna get thicker and thicker and thicker, and then we'll plate them up and we'll show you what they look like, okay? And ching!
Ching!
So this is what it is.
Yeah. Look
So
at
Jordan
mine.
has his on there, and I have mine on here.
Mine is heavy, but I could still reach it.
Nice. All
I
right.
could do it with one hand too. And the other hand.
Oh, it got stuck. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
That was us making tteokbokki.
Yeah.
Itadakimasu.